I love you. I never let no one hurt you, but baby, you hurt me. Listen to my heartbeat. 5 years ago, Mo let them know I was hella broke, couldn't find spit to choke. Then I met you, right now I regret you. Gave you the world, want to give you a little girl. I put on for us, this song for us, no more us. I hate to say it, you did what you did, so do what you do. And I'ma do the fuck I want. And all I'm saying, never knew love can hurt like this. Your mama don't love me, ain't that sweet? Smoke a million to ease my pain, but as I woke up, the pain was the same. I know that it's over, that's what hurts the most. Love is blind, I was dating a ghost. My pain, drink to clear my brain. Right now I'm so ashamed. Right now I'm so ashamed. My life just ain't the same. Wanted you to have my last name, but then you brought me pain. So now that's down the drain. I never had a girl like you. Get mad and do what you do. Fuck me, no fuck you. I ain't tryna go hike on you. Damn, I can't sleep. Damn, I can't eat. I'm at my peak. I'm at my peak. The people gon' hate, don't care what they say. I only care about you and what you do. Gangsters hurt too, didn't mean to hurt you, but if it wasn't for you,